them. No, but there's connection.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's just there must be some
rivers
kind
and
of
everything. I think he
interest.
was taking a bath. Hopefully he won't see.
Yeah, that's pretty bad, eh?
I went like in and I look at.
You gonna what?
There's a food.
And another cenote?
Oh, there's another cenote.
Wasn't there? This
I'm
is
cold. I'd rather be outside. But this is very nice.
what'd you think, Dad?
That's cool.
Yeah.
You need to take a
Literally, right?
Yeah.
It's cool.